I think 2026 we can all testify, ask the people that get a little bit close to him, that he's preparing a lot of things and he's deliberate.
So deliberate, when you talk about people that have improved and grown over time, you've talked about the Nile Empire. I think Timo Fish also comes in this bracket. I think it was last week or the other week, I happened to have a candid conversation with him. But I have to tell you, this is a spoiler alert. The guy is ready.
He's ready.
He has released music.
Yeah.
That is going to serve us the entire 2026.
Wow.
And it's all on plan and schedule. He knows when I'm going to release this song. He knows when to shoot which video and which video not to shoot. He has actually gone ahead to now employ people on ground
to start distributing this music.
Distributing music. If at all it's he wants the song to go viral on TikTok, he will employ TikTokers. He has invested in it.
I pray that the huge investment, of course, comes with returns.
Pays off.
Yeah, pays off really, because it is sometimes really hurting if at all you put that huge investment and then you don't see the returns. All right.
Download the Salt Media app from the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store.